Hi everyone, I am Dr. P. Kumari, working as Associate Professor in Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today, I am going to discuss about divergence and curl and some of the examples on divergence and curl, which is in the vector differentiation. So, what is the divergence of curl here? You can observe. So divergence formula. So divergence F equal to I dou F by dou X plus J dou F by dou Y plus K dou F by dou Z. We can denote this divergence F or div F equal to del dot F. So when you are doing the dot product, you will get the scalar point function. So because I dot I will be 1, J dot J will be 1 and K dot K will be 1, then we will get the scalar point function after doing the divergence of a vector. Next, coming to the curl F is nothing but del cross F. So here we are going to do the det value by using this given function. So curl F is nothing but del cross F. So here det of ijk. So coefficient of ijk for the del is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. For the F is, we can see here F1i plus F2j plus F3k. So that one we are seeing here. Quotient of I is F1 and quotient of J is F2 and quotient of K is F3. Now we are doing the that value here I. When you are considering I here, we will do the cross product for the remaining four values, that is dou F3. Dou F3 by dou Y minus dou F2 by dou Z minus J. When you are considering the J here, so here, so what are the remaining four values we are using? So cross product of these two values. So dou F3 by dou X minus dou F1 by dou Z plus K here. When you are considering the K, so what are the remaining two? We have to do the cross product here. Dou F2 by dou X minus dou F1 by dou Y. So this is the formula for the curl F or del cross F. And here if curl F is 0, we can say that that given function is rotational. So you should know about these definitions and these formulas, then only we can calculate the problems. So what they are asking in the question. Observe the question here. Find constants. What are the constants here? A, B, C. So that the given vector, what is the given vector here? A bar equal to x plus 2y plus az into I bar plus bx minus 3y minus z into z bar plus 4x plus cy plus 2z into k bar is irrotational. What they are saying here? So that here the vector A is irrotational. Also find pi such that A bar equal to del pi. So here the given data first we are writing. Here one vector is given, that is A bar. So given vector is A bar equal to x plus 2y plus az into I bar plus bx minus 3y minus z into z bar plus 4x plus cy plus 2z into k bar. So here in the question, they are saying that that vector is irrotational. If vector A bar is irrotational means, already according to the definition, that curl of that function is 0. Then we can say that that function is irrotational. So if A bar is irrotational, we can say that curl A bar equal to 0 bar. So curl A bar equal to 0 bar means that det value. So we are writing here det value. Curl A is nothing but del cross A bar is equal to 0 bar. So here del is nothing but del is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z here. So now we are writing the coefficients of I, j, k here. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. Next A bar already they given in the question. A bar is I coefficient is x plus 2y plus az. So x plus 2y plus az. Next, j coefficient is bx minus 3y minus z. See here, bx minus 3y minus z. K coefficient is 4x plus cy plus 2z. So 4x plus cy plus 2z here. Now, we this value is equal to 0 bar. This value is equal to 0 bar according to the definition. So, up to this, they given the question. So, now we have to calculate this dead value. After then, we will equate to 0 to find out the ABC values. When we can find the ABC values? After calculating the dead value, if it is equal to 0 bar, then we can find this. Now, we are calculating the dead value according to the definition. So here for the dead I bar into, so we are doing the cross product here, dou by of this F3. This one we are treating as F1, this is F2 and this is F3. Now dou by of 4x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by 2z of bx minus 3y minus z. So here, this is the first one. Next, minus j. When you are considering the j here, now dou by dou x of 4x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of x plus 2y plus az. This is the second. Next, coming to the third term, plus k. So here, this one is the cross product. Dou by dou x of bx minus 3y minus z minus dou by dou y of x plus 2y plus az. This is the red value we are going to find. So first I am calculating the first term. So dou by dou y of 4x plus cy plus 2z. What is this value? Now I am doing with respect to y, right? So then 4 and x both are constant. So this is 0 plus c into y value is with respect to y we are doing. So this is 1 plus in the third term 2 and z both are constant. This is 0. Finally, this value is c. This value is c. Next for the this value dou by dou z of bx minus 3y minus z. So here we are doing with respect to z, right? So b and x both are constant. So that is 0. Next minus 3 and y both are constant. That is 0. Minus 1. So here why we are writing minus 1? Dou by dou z of z is 1. So this value is minus 1. So here next this value I got c. This value is c minus of minus 1 I got. So finally c plus 1 into I. So here, so first value is c plus 1 into I. So now we are calculating the second term minus j part. So dou by dou x of 4x plus cy plus 2z. Here we are doing with respect to x. So 4 into with respect to x. So x value is 1 plus cy. Both are constant. So that is 0. Plus 2 and z. Both are constant. That is also 0. This value is 4. This value is 4. Next one is dou by dou z of x plus 2y plus az. So here with respect to z I am doing here. So with respect to z x is constant, so 0. Plus with respect to z y and 2 both are constant, this is also 0. Plus a into with respect to z we are doing, this is 1. So finally this value is a. So this value is 4 minus this value is a. So here we got 4 minus a. Already here minus is there. I can write plus j a minus 4. I can write plus j a minus 4. This is about the second term. Now I am moving to third term. So third one is here. Dou by dou x of b minus 3y minus z. So here with respect to x we are doing. So b. So with respect to x value is 1 minus 3 and y both are constant. This is 0 and z is also constant. This is 0. This value is b. So this value is b. Next, dou by dou y of x plus 2y plus az. X plus 2y plus az. So here with respect to y we are doing x is constant. So first term is 0. Plus with respect to y we are doing, so 2 into y value is 1. Plus with respect to y we are doing here a constant and z also constant. This is 0. This is 2. So this value is 2. So we got here b minus 2 k bar. So first we got c plus 1 into I bar. Next term we got a minus 4 into z bar. So next one is b minus 2 into k bar. So this is equal to 0 bar. So here c plus 1 into I bar plus a minus 4 into j bar plus b minus 2 into k bar equal to 0 bar. So 0 bar means we can write this one as 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Now I can equate c plus 1 equal to 0, a minus 4 equal to 0 and b minus 2 equal to 0. So from this c plus 1 equal to 0 means c equal to minus 1. Next here a minus 4 equal to 0 means a equal to 4. B minus 2 equal to 0 means b equal to 2. These are the constant values. What are the constants? A, B, C. So what they are asking in the question here, find the constant. So here we are calculated constant. Those are A, B, C. A value is 4, B value is 2 and C value is minus 1. So here this is the way we can find the constants. So in the question, if they are asked up to finding the constants, that means we can stop here. But in the question, they are asked another part also. Here, also find the pi such that, how we can find the pi such that a bar equal to del pi. So by using this condition, we can calculate the pi value. So here, before in the concept, we learned about this. If the function is irrotational, then there exists some scalar potential function. What is the scalar potential function? Here we are taking the pi. So if the a bar is irrotational, we can say that a bar equal to del pi, then pi is the scalar potential function. So according to that definition, we are going here. Already calculated ABC values. Now we are taking that one here. So if you have a bar equal to del pi. So what is the del pi value? Del pi already we know the form, that is I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. That is only we wrote here. So del pi is nothing but I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. So now a bar is equal to del pi. So a bar already they given in the problem. What is the a bar? X plus 2y plus 4z into I plus 2x minus 3y minus z into j. How we got before? Before we got here x plus 2y plus az. Here x plus 2y plus az into I bar plus bx minus 3y minus z. Bx minus 3y minus z into j bar plus 4x plus cy plus 2z. 4x plus cy plus 2z into k bar. So already we calculated ABC values now. So we are substituting in the a bar, that is in the vector. So a value is 4. So in place of a, we replaced 4 here. So x plus 2y plus 4z into I bar. Next in place of b, we replaced 2 here. So 2x minus 3y minus z into j bar. Next one here, 4x plus cy here. So what is c value? Minus 1. So 4x minus y plus 2z into k bar. Now, this is the value for the vector A we got. after replacing the ABC values. So that is only we wrote here x plus 2y plus 4z into I bar, 2x minus 3y minus z into z bar, 4x minus y plus 2z into k bar. Is it clear? So how we got the values after finding the ABC values? We substituted in the vector. So now we got this vector a bar like this. So a bar equal to x plus 2y plus 4z into I bar plus 2x minus 3y minus z into j bar plus 4x minus y plus 2z into k bar. So what they are saying in the question, a bar equal to del pi. So del pi already we know. What is a del pi? I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. That is we are equating here. Now we are comparing the quotients of I, j, k on both sides. So here I quotient is x plus 2y plus 4z. Here I quotient is dou pi by dou x. So dou pi by dou x equal to x plus 2y plus 4z. So next we are comparing the j quotient. So 2x minus 3y minus z is equal to dou pi by dou y. Next one is we are comparing the k quotient, that is dou pi by dou z. Dou pi by dou z equal to 4x minus y plus 2z. So from these three, we are going to find the pi here. So what they're asking, a bar equal to del pi, we have to find the scalar potential function, that is pi. So we are going to calculate pi now. So already I have dou pi by dou x, dou pi by dou y, and dou pi by dou z. So here dou pi by dou x and dou pi by dou y and dou pi by dou z. This one I have. So I have to get pi here. I have to get pi here. How I can get the pi here? Already differentiation is there. I need to get the pi. So what is the inverse of the differentiation? If you do the integration here, then differentiation and integration will be cancelled. Then we can get the pi function. That's why we are doing the integration on both sides for the each term here. First one is dou pi by dou x equal to x plus 2y plus 4z. Now we are doing the integration on both sides. Dou pi by dou x equal to integral x plus here integral 2y dx plus integral 4z dx, because we are doing here with respect to x. So integral dou pi by dou x pi. So integral and differentiation will be cancelled. Finally, we will get pi here. So integral x dx is x square by 2 plus 2y is the constant, integral dx is x. Next, 4z is the constant, integral dx is x plus some constant will be there when you are calculating or when you are doing the integration. So that is I am writing as f1 of, already I done with respect to x here. So remaining y and z I am treating as a adding constant. So this is the value y equal to x square by 2 plus 2xy plus 4xz plus f1 of y comma z. So in that case, that's why we wrote f of y comma z. This is about the first one. Now I am moving to next one with respect to y. So this one is 2 pi by dou y. What is the 2 pi by dou y? Equal to 2x minus 3y minus z. Now doing the integration, integral dou pi by dou y equal to integral 2x dy minus 3 integral y dy minus z integral dy. So now integration and differentiation will be cancelled. So pi equal to 2x integral dy is y minus 3 into integral y dy is y square by 2 minus z into integral dy is y plus some constant will be there. What that constant we are taking in terms of x comma y. So f2 of z comma x or x comma z, because we done here with respect to y. So this is about the second one. Now I am moving to third one. So dou pi by dou z equal to 4x minus y minus 2z. Now we are doing the integration here with respect to z. So dou y by dou z equal to integral 4x into dz minus integral y dz minus integral 2z dz. So here integration and differentiation will be cancelled. So finally pi equal to 4xz minus yz minus 2 into z square by 2 plus some constant will be there, that is I am treating as f3 of x comma y because I done here with respect to z. So 2 will be cancelled. Finally pi equal to 4xz minus yz plus z square f3 of x comma y. So now by using these three I'm going to write the final pi. So pi equal to x square by 2 next minus 3y square by 2 next here plus z square. So any common terms are there in this pi, we can write only one time. Remaining the different terms we have to write. So here 2xy. So any 2xy is there remaining? No. So we can write 2xy plus here 4xy. So 4xy. Next already 2xy here is there, here is there. So we can write only one time. That's enough. Then 4xz is here and here. Only one time we can write, that's enough. Next one is minus yz. Here also minus yz. So we can write minus yz plus some constant. We can write all this constant as a c. So this is our final pi. That is nothing but scalar potential function. So if any vector is a rotational, then there exists a one scalar potential function, that is pi. So a bar equal to del pi or f bar equal to del pi. So then we can find the pi by using this type of procedure. So this is the way to calculate the scalar potential function. So here we have to remember the two steps. Here by using these three, so here how many times the term is coming, we have to write the only one time according to the given calculated value. So is it clear how to find the scalar potential function by using the vector if it is set rotational? This is the procedure. Next is the next problem. Prove that divergence grad r power m, divergence grad r power m is equal to m into m plus 1 r power m minus 2. Or they can give the same problem like this, del square of r power n. Here grad is del, divergence also del. So del dot del is nothing but del square. Del square of r power m is equal to m into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. Otherwise, they can give same in terms of n also. Del square of r power n equal to n into n plus 1 into r power n minus 2. If they given in any way, you have to follow the same procedure to calculate the value or to prove the value. So here, if they use m, we can use m terms here. If they use n, we can use the n terms here. So in the previous videos, some of the problems already I given you about the problems. If they given in terms of r, we have to remember the two values. What is that? R bar equal to xi bar plus yz bar plus zk bar. And here r is equal to r bar, rid of r bar, and r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So here what are the problem they given in terms of r? We have to remember these two values. R bar value, that is xi bar, yz bar and zk bar, and r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So here, so we done so many problems like this. We have to calculate dou r by dou x and dou r by dou y and dou r by dou z by using the r square only. So it will be needed in the further calculation. Why we need these values means we can observe here it will be needed in the further calculation. So where it can be useful. We can check here. First we'll do. So r square. First I am doing with respect to x. So 2r. Dou r by dou x equal to x square is 2x, y square is 0 and z square is 0 because I am doing with respect to x, y and z both are constant. So I can do the calculation by using this 0. So finally it is going to have the value dou r by dou x equal to 2x by 2r. So this is x by r. This is x by r. Next, we are doing here with respect to y, 2r into dou r by dou y, dou r by dou y. So here x square, the x is the constant, so this is 0, plus y square is 2y, plus z square is 0. So finally this is dou r by dou y is equal to 2y by 2r. 2y by 2r. This is y by r. This is the value of dou r by dou y. Next, I am doing with respect to z now. 2r into dou r by dou z is equal to here x square is 0, y square is 0, z square is 2z. So finally, dou r by dou z equal to 2z by 2r. So finally, this is z by r. So dou r by dou x is x by r, dou r by dou y is y by r, dou r by dou z is z by r. So this is only we can check here. Dou r by dou x is x by r, dou r by dou y is y by r, dou r by dou z is z by r. These values we are going to use in the further calculation. Now, this is the information we are going to use. So first of all, what we have to calculate here, divergence of grad r power m. So first we will calculate grad r power m or del r power m. After then we can use the divergence. So see here, grad r power m. So here this one is I dou by dou x of r power m plus g dou by dou y of r power m plus k dou by dou z of r power m. So here I into dou by dou x of r power m means the differentiation is m into r power m minus 1 with respect to r, right? So this value is dou r by dou x. Next, plus j into, now I am doing with respect to y. So m into r power m minus 1. So dou r by dou y plus, next the term here k. So with respect to z I am doing m into r power m minus 1. So dou r by dou z. Dou r by dou z. This is the value of grad r power m. Grad r power m. Now I am going to substitute the values here. So you can this step here. So I m into r power m minus 1. Okay. So now this is in place of dou r by dou x. In place of dou r by dou x, I can substitute x by r. So this is x by r plus j into m into r power m minus 1. In place of dou r by dou y, I can use y by r. So that is y by r plus k into here m into r power m minus 1. Here dou r by dou z. Dou r by dou z value is z by r. Z by r. Now I am simplifying this one. I m into here r power minus 1 is there. So m r power m minus 1. So finally this is r power m minus 2 into x. In the same way for the next steps also, j m into here r power minus 1. So this is becoming as r power minus 2 into y plus k here also m r power m minus 2 into z. So this is the final value. So we can write this one as summation I m into r power m minus 2 into x. The both are same. So this is the value we got here. This is the value we got here. Now we are going to apply divergence of grad. Now divergence of grad. What is the gradum value? So again we are applying here. This is summation of dou by dou x here. So dou by dou x of. So here grad r power m divergence is del dot grad r power m. So what is the del I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. This is the del value dot gradum. Gradum is we can observe here I m r power m minus 2 into x plus j m r power m minus 2 into y plus k m r power m minus 2 into z. Now by using the dot product, I dot I is 1, c dot c is 1, k dot k is 1. Finally I got here 2 by 2 x of m r power m minus 2 into x plus j dot j is 1. Next dou by dou y m r power m minus 2 into y plus dou by dou z of m r power m minus 2 into z to z. So now we are going to do the simplification here. This is finally becoming here m and r power m minus 2 is common. So I am taking out m r power m minus 2. So dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou y of y plus dou by dou z of z. Dou by dou z of z. Now uh, here r power m minus 2 we can't take the common because we can do the differentiation here again with respect to x and y and z. So that's why we are taking common only m. So finally we got here dou by dou x of x into r power m minus 2 and dou by dou y of y into r power m minus 2 plus dou by dou z of z into r power m minus 2. So now by using the u into v form, we are doing here m. X is constant, we are doing here m minus 2 into r power m minus 3 into dou r by dou x plus here r power m minus 2 dou by dou x of x is 1. So u into v form for the first term completed. Next term dou by dou y. So here y into m minus 2 into r power m minus 3 dou r by dou y plus here r power m minus 2 into dou by dou y of y. This is 1. This is about the second term. U into v form. The same way, already we know the U into v form, right? Dou by d of u comma v equal to u v dash plus v u dash. This is the formula already we know. That formula only I am using here. So here dou by dou z of. So z is the constant. Derivative of r power m minus 2 is m minus 2 into r power m minus 3. So dou r by dou z plus r power m minus 2 with respect to z, z is 1. This is the value. We can see here this is equal to m. So r power m minus 2 is here 1, 2, 3. I can write this one as 3 into r power m minus 2. 3 into r power m minus 2. Next plus here x into m minus 2 into r power m minus 3. In place of dou r by dou x, I can replace x by r. Already I calculated before. So next, y into m minus 2 into r power m minus 3 into y by r. Next, z into m minus 2 into r power m minus 3 into z by r. So now we are writing this one as this step I am writing here. m. So m into 3 into r power m minus 2 plus here x and x, one more x is there. I can write this one as a x square m minus 2 into already r power m minus 3 is there. So one more r. So this is r power m minus 2. In the same way for the next terms also we can write y and y square. So y square into m minus 2 into r power m minus 4. So here also r power m minus 4. Next plus the third. So third term is z square m minus 2 r power m minus 4. Now in this one, r power m minus 2 into r power m minus 4 is common, right? So m into here 3 into r power m minus 2 plus here m minus 2 into r power m minus 4 is the common. So remaining we got x square y square plus z square. So x square plus y square plus z square. Now I am simplifying this. So m into 3 r power m minus 2 plus m minus 2 into r power m minus 4. So x square y square plus z square. What is that value? That is r square. That is r square. Now we are doing here. Now this is m. Okay. 3 into r power m minus 2 plus m minus 2 into here r power m minus 4 plus 2. This is nothing but r power m minus 2. Here r power m minus 4 and r square. So m minus 4 plus 2 is nothing but m minus 2. So now here m into r power m minus 2 is common here, right? R power m minus 2 remaining 3 plus m minus 2. What is this value? 3 minus 2 is plus 1. So m into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. So this is the value of del square r power m. R divergence of grad r power m is equal to m into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. So this is the way to calculate. So here you have to do the simplification carefully and you should know about the basic values, r square value and dou r by dou x value, dou r by dou y value and dou r by dou z value. Then we can calculate this type of calculations very easily. So if they given same problem in terms of n, then we will write in terms of. See the next problem. Find divergence f bar, where f bar is grad of x cube y cube plus z cube minus 3xy. So here they given f, we have to find the grad f bar. But in the f bar, what they given? Grad of x cube y cube z cube minus 3xyz. That means I have to find the grad of this function that will be equal to f bar. That will be equal to f bar. So f bar is grad x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So when you are finding the grad of this value, that will be equal to pi. So first I have to calculate grad pi value. What is the pi? I am taking this one as a pi. So f bar equal to grad pi. So first I am calculating grad pi value. Then only I can find the divergence. So here grad pi equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. So here I dou by dou x of, here I need the values of dou pi by dou x, dou pi by dou y and dou pi by dou z. So first I am going to calculate those values. So dou pi by dou x. So dou by dou x of, what is the pi here I am taking? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So I am doing first with respect to x. So that is a dou by dou x of x cube is 3x square. Next one is plus with respect to x, y is the constant, right? So this is the 0. And next z is also constant. This is 0. Next 3 y, z. 3 are the constant. With respect to x, x is 1. So finally this value is 3x square minus 3yz. This is the value of dou by dou x. So 3x square minus 3yz. Now I am going to calculate with respect to y now. So dou by dou y of pi. So here dou by dou y of pi. So here with respect to y, x is constant. So this is 0. Plus y cube is 3y square. Plus z cube is 0. Minus 3xz, y is 1. So finally this is 3y square minus 3xz. Now I am going to do with respect to z. So dou pi by dou z. So dou by dou z of. So here with respect to z I am doing x cube is 0, y cube also 0. Here z cube is 3z square minus 3xy, z value is 1. So finally this is 3z square minus 3xy. So this is the value of dou pi by dou z. Now this value becomes, so here I into 3x square minus 3yz. Okay, right? Plus j into here 3y square minus 3xz. Next third value plus k into 3z square minus 3xy. This is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So that means f1 value is 3x square minus 3yz. Next, f2 value is 3y square minus 3xz. Next, f3 value is 3z square minus 3xy. So after knowing these values, we can calculate the divergence f bar. This is z square only. Now I am going to calculate divergence f. So divergence f bar equal to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Already I know about the f1, f2 and f3. I can do the 2 by dou x of f1 is 3x square minus 3yz plus 2 by dou y of f2. f2 is 3y square minus 3xz plus 2 by dou z of f3, that is 3z square minus 3xy. Now I am doing dou f1 by dou x. With respect to x I am doing, so 3 into 2x is 6x minus 0 plus here with respect to y we are doing, this is 6y. So x, 3 and z, 3 are constant, that is 0. Next 3, 6z here minus 0. Finally this value 6x plus 6y plus 6z. So finally this value. So 6 into x plus y plus z. So divergence of grad x cube y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 6 into x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. So this is the final answer after calculating the divergence of f bar. See the next one. Find a cross del into pi if a equal to yz square into I bar minus 3xz square into z bar plus 2xyz into k bar and pi is xyz. So what I have to calculate? A cross del after then into pi. So that means first I have to calculate a cross del. So what is the del? Del is I. dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Now here a, what is the given a equal to yz square into I bar minus 3xz square into c bar plus 2xyz into k bar. So now I am going to do the cross product a cross del. So I j k. So quotients of a first. So yz square next to minus 3xz square next to xyz. Next del here dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou. If you are having del cross A like this, then we have to write this one first, after then this one. So but they are giving here A cross Z. So that's why first we are writing A and after we are writing the del value. Now we will calculate the del value here. I. So when you are doing it, this is the cross product we have to do. So dou by dou z of minus 3z square minus dou by dou y of 2xyz. 2xyz. This is the first term. Next, minus j into, when you are doing that say, so you can do the cross product, this one. So dou by dou z of yz square minus dou by dou x of 2xyz. Next, plus k into here. So we have to do this cross product. So dou by dou y of yz square minus dou by dou x of minus 3x z square. So this is the way to calculate the z value. After doing this, we are getting dou by dou x of minus 3x z square. So minus 3x z square is minus 3z square into x value is 1. Minus with respect to y we are doing. So 2xz y value is 1. The same way for the next term also. Here minus j into dou by dou z of yz square. So y into 2z. Okay. Minus dou by dou x of 2xyz. So 2yz into x is 1. Next one plus k into here dou by dou y of yz square. So z square into y value is 1. Minus plus. So dou by dou x of 3xz square. That means 3z square x value is 1. So finally I got here minus 8xz. Here this value is 0. So 0 z bar. So finally here z square and 3z square is 4z square. So this is the value of A cross del. What they are asking to find? They are asking to find A cross del into pi. Pi is x, y, z. So we are writing here A cross del into pi. So we are calculating here. So minus 8 into x, y, z. So x already is there. So x square y, z into a bar. Next plus already j quotient is 0. No need to do that. So here k quotient. So 4z square into 4xy, xyz. So 4 into xy, z square into z is z cube into k bar. This is the final value. That is nothing but A cross del into pi. So this is the way to calculate the problem. So first we have to understand the question, what they are asking to find here. So what is the given data and what are the inner formulas or definitions we should know. Then we can calculate very easily and we can solve the problems very nicely. These are the references I am using. So engineering mathematics textbook by KV Engar, and I am using the BS Gravel and engineering mathematics by Baby Ramana also. So these are the basic ones. You can go through the problems step by step and you can understand very easily. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.